everyone. I am Absra Chauhan of class 7th standard with my partner Kajal.
Hello, I am Kajal Maurya.
And here we are going to explain our topic and our project, the pollution and the types of pollution. So firstly I will introduce what is pollution. Due to the global warming and the many human activities like throwing garbage, etc. causes the pollution, and there are the various types of pollution. Like here I have shown the water pollution, land pollution and air pollution, and now Kajal explain the water pollution.
Pollution is caused by also human because when we eat anything and we throw in the areas, some like land pollution, this is also caused. So the when is clear, pick the garbage, then he throw anywhere, but doesn't he always throw in the, doesn't matter where through, but when always throw in the river. That is caused by the water pollution. This is not good for us because human beings drink water, so that is reason we not cause this kinds of pollution in water. So after what is your thinking about the air pollution? Water pollution. Sorry for that. Water pollution.
As we know, water is the very precious resource for us. Only the very small quantity of drinking water is present on our earth. These water are very important for us, so we should save the water. But as human beings and causes their uses, they throw the garbage in the river. Like we know that we not throw the garbage everywhere. The rivers are not present. The small ponds and the oceans are present, but the human beings, some villagers throw the garbage of their daily use in the ponds, by which the ponds are polluted, and in the rivers the various garbages of the schools, factories and various places are thrown in the water pollution, causes that the water is polluted. Now Kajal, what will you share about the air pollution?
Air pollution is also caused by human by the factory. Factory made very things like food materials, daily uses things, but factories make many pollution like air. When the factory use machine, that the machine is create a smoke, so that the factories make a whole type like the smoke is surrounded by the air, so that air pollution is caused. It is also harmful for the human because the patient of heart take oxygen, then the pollution air is inside the body, that is caused by the very difficult for the patient. That's what is your thinking about the air pollution, Apsara?
As we know, our atmosphere is surrounded by the air. Air is important for us because air is the mixture of oxygen and various gases, moisture, etc. The air is polluted by not only by the factories, it is also polluted by the human beings. Like when we throw the garbage and anywhere, then it becomes the hilly type, then the villager peoples and also the citizens fire them. By cause of the smoke is spreaded into the whole air, and we feel so hesitate to smell and to oxygenate the oxygen, which also affect our health. When the humans spread the air pollution, then they also become sick. Various diseases are spreaded in the cities caused due to the pollution, and also in the villages, not only in the cities. And now Kajal, what will you share about land pollution?
Land pollution is caused by the humans because when we eat anything we throw it there where, that is not good for you because we are a human, we are the family of our nature. When we throw any garbage there and where, that is a pollution. That are many difficult for the life of sustainable in earth. Earth is our home. Home is not, our home is dirty, you look like you don't know. Our home is dirty, you don't like. So that earth is our also home. So please don't do this, the land pollution, because land pollution is created by this area, that is our home. But land pollution is look like, means that land pollution is caused by the wrappers, bottles, plastic bottle. We can not use plastic, but but our nature we can use plastic, so that we cannot use plastic. And what is your response for that, Apsara?
My response about the land pollution is that every people's like to their clean house, not dirty house. When we see the any dirty substance in our house, then we clean. But in our surrounding and on the land, we not see the good substance and bad substance. When there is the bad substance, then they throw more of the garbage of our home on the land, which pollutes our land. So this is not good and cause due to the land pollution. This is also cause of land pollution. The process of afforestation. The process by which the trees are cutted by the human beings is called the afforestation. Afforestation is also the cause of the land pollution and also the cause of the air pollution. So we should not cut the trees. Trees are very important for us because they provide us food, oxygen and various substances. So we should not cut the trees, because when we cut the trees, then it will form in the form of land pollution. And now, Kajal, what will you say about the prevention of the pollution? How can we prevent the pollution?
Pollution is a very big problem in the world. Not any country, all the world. So that we can plant tree and we can use paper bags and less use of plastic. When you use plastic, throw in the dustbin and recycle it. Then we make many things by the using of plastic. And paper we cannot throw anywhere, so you throw in the dustbin. I hope you are like my project, and we are the very good for that. You listen my video, and thank you very much.
So that's all.